In front of me is POCO M7 Pro, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. All you need to do is find an app called File Manager that's already on your device. When you find it, click on it. Now, if you never used this app before, hit Agree, Allow and Allow All. Then choose Storage at the bottom right corner and scroll down a tiny bit to find Download folder. When you find it, click on it and access all of your downloads right away. To open one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!